Don't move. I've sold myself. Quick. Quickly. Go. Mom, what's up? What did you say?
I've already told you, hurry up and listen. You're still not listening. I thought you were telling me to quickly pick it up. Pick it up. You want to see great-grandma, don't you? Mom, that great-grandma is
He said
not
I want to
someone
meet.
I can see easily. Great-grandma, great-grandma. I've already decided to eat this melon too. Luckily, my hand is fast enough. Every time they visit, they ask me for 300 yuan for expenses. Oh, 375. 282,
Go up the bridge.
937, 6. Things are cheap. One can sell for several banquets. Let's peel it first.